Welcome back to my channel. This is Coin Code. I'm DMO. This video is an update based on my previous video on how you can make a lot of money trading crypto arbitrage without any bank card. So make sure you check it out if you have not watched that video. Now before I proceed to the update, please use 2 seconds of your time to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative and educative content like this. So now let's move. After dropping that mind-blowing update on crypto arbitrage, some people understand and have already taken actions, but still most people didn't still understand, which led to many questions which I'll be answering on this video. And on this video, I'll be answering all your questions and tell you more about this platform, you understand? And in addition, I'll be showing you how you can deposit Bitcoin to your Now2trade account easily. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video because every minute of this video carries an important information you won't afford to miss. So now let's move. First of all, you need to know that Now2trade partnered with all these exchanges. They do arbitrage with your money, you understand? And you also need to know that Now2trade system is a well-developed system and you don't need to worry about losses because if the crypto market is not in good situation, there will be no trade. Although Now2trade is a new platform which start operation from on the 3rd of October 2021. And also be aware that good and bad things start new, but with what I've seen so far, Now2trade user will be happy in the nearest future because they are working on deposit mint of other cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. And remember, I'll be showing you a live proof of how you can deposit Bitcoin to your address on this same video because that has been the main issue for new users. So make sure you watch this video to the very end. Another issue most people face is the profit issues. Now, since you can only deposit Bitcoin as at now, it also means that you can only trade Bitcoin as at now, although the profit is very low. And as I usually say, on crypto arbitrage, the higher the capital, the more profit you make, you understand? Now, take a look on this market. You can see that the currency difference is 141.24 USDT, you understand? This means that if you trade 1 BTC, you are going to get 141.26 USDT as profit after the countdown, you understand? And remember, this market changes in some market pair. The price is even more than $2,000, you understand? You just got to refresh the page or wait for it to change to another market exchange pair. So now on this note, imagine trading just $25. It means that you are trading $25 compared to $60,000 for 1 Bitcoin, which is very small, and the profit should be very little as well. And I want to let you know that there is no minimum deposit and trade because it has just been updated. But remember, the higher the capital, the higher the profit. You can also follow and join all their social media accounts, you understand? Basically joining their Telegram community and join my Telegram group to get quick updates and engage with other members, understand? Which all the link are on the video description below. Now before I show you how to deposit your Now2trade account, shout out to Via Also, Comfort Comedy, High Tech Channel and Stay Fit. Thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate it. Please note that I do a random shout out for all my subscribers. So make sure you have subscribed to get mentioned on my next video. And make sure you turn on notifications so that you get notified first when I drop this kind of mind-blowing update. So now let's move. Currently now, since the only deposit means is by BTC, you have to send BTC to this your unique address below, you understand? So you copy your wallet address. Note that you can send Bitcoin to your Now2trade address from multiple exchanges, but I'll be focusing on Binance users. As you can see, when we join BTC from Binance account to your Now2trade account, after you input your Now2trade Bitcoin address, on the network section, you leave it at Bitcoin. And if you look below, you will see withdraw to address is starting from BC1P. I'm not operated at the moment. Please proceed otherwise. And if you take a note on the address, my address starts from BC1Q. That means I will just proceed and click withdraw. You understand? But in the case of people that has address starting from BC1P, let me show you what you're going to do now. For Now2trade users that has Bitcoin address starting from BC1P, you are going to come to your Trust Wallet and click on Receive. On your Receive tab, you will notice that your Trust Wallet Bitcoin address starts from BC1Q, which means you are going to copy your address on Trust Wallet and send Bitcoin from your Binance to your Trust Wallet, you understand? And now, after you have successfully deposited your Trust Wallet from Binance, you are going to click on the Send button. Now, clicking on the Send button, you have to input your address on Now2trade, you understand? So you input your address from Now2trade. After you have inputted your Now2trade Bitcoin address, you click on Continue. Now on this section, you are to confirm the transaction, you understand, by sending BTC to your Now2trade account, and in few minutes it will reflect on your Now2trade account, you understand. Although, as I said before, you can deposit your Now2trade account from multiple exchanges like KuCoin, Bybit, and other exchanges that support Bitcoin, you understand. Now remember, I'm not the owner of this platform, but I've communicated with the CEO of Now2trade and I've laid most of your complaints to him. So make sure you use the comment section for your questions and join the Telegram community of Now2trade and our community to get quick updates, as this will be it for this video. See you on my next video.